What do you got there, G? Nice. I have this basket. You can put them in the basket. We're gonna harvest green beans from our GreenStalk.
But we saw ones what we can't use now because it was too long for us to pick.
Yeah, some of them already dried. So we could use them for like dry beans. Bummer, but there's a lot of them that are still yummy and good. Right? So like some of them, these dry ones.
One right now.
Yeah, they're delicious. So we have different kinds. There's big red ones. There's skinny green ones. There's all sorts of different kinds.
We found the biggest one we found in the midst of the first one. I want to go get a green one and see that how big. We found a green one. This one is big. They're almost the same size, and they are. It's just this, the purple one is a little bit bigger in the size. They're the same size, it's just this one is kind of straighter, is more wide. What? Did you agree? Yeah, they look the same, but they're circle.
You want to eat one?
Actually, I don't.
Those are sweet and soft.
Can I plant it? I want to
Yep.
plant it.
All right, we did pretty good. It's been really hot here.
Oh, and also I got one.
Got another purple one. I think that one's called Red Swan. That's a red swan. So you can tell these are pretty dry. It's been pretty hot here. I have not been consistently watering them, unfortunately. We would have had a lot better harvest had I watered consistently. But we got a pretty good harvest. That's a couple of pints. First a jar and can.
This one doesn't even have only...
Yeah, they didn't get enough water towards the end of their life.
This one only got one seed.
We had a few weeks of really hot
This one only had
weather.
one seed.
Yeah, they were kind of sad. It didn't have enough energy to put more make more seeds.